Go ring the doorbell, Rocky. Go ring the doorbell. Ring it. Go ahead. Ring the doorbell. Ring the doorbell. Go ahead. Ring the doorbell. Oh, we gotta do a little more on that one. Okay, try it again. Try it again. Rocky, try it again. Rocky, go ring the doorbell. Rocky, go ring the doorbell. Go ring the doorbell. Go ring the doorbell, Rocky. Go ring the doorbell. Good boy. Good boy. All right. See, he can ring the doorbell now. Good boy, right? You want to go pee and poop? Go ring the doorbell. Go ring the doorbell. You want to go poop? Ring the doorbell. Go ahead. What a good boy. He knows how to ring the doorbell now. Way to go, Rocky. Way to go. Gold star for you. Here I come. We go outside.
I am so pleased with Rocky that he learned how to use the doorbell really quick at the time of this here recording. He uses it to go outside. He has a doorbell outside the house, but for some reason, he don't use it to come inside as much. For now, anyways. I'll leave a descriptive link in the description of this here video. Just click more. And as Rocky would say, I'll be back. And he would like you to come back. PAWS out. Peace to all.